Hello everyone, in this video we will walk through how to use NordVPN on an Android phone. First, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type NordVPN, tap on the NordVPN app, then tap Install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. When the app launches, you will see two options: Log in and Sign up. If you already have an account, tap Log in and enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, tap Sign up and follow the steps to create one. After logging in, the main screen will show a map with several country pins. Tap Quick Connect to let NordVPN choose the best server for you automatically. You will see a connected message once the VPN is active. If you want to choose a specific country, scroll through the country list below the map or swipe on the map and tap a pin. Tap the country name to connect. You can also tap the three dots next to a country to see all available servers in that region. For more settings, tap the gear icon. Here, you can enable Auto Connect, set up split tunneling, or activate Threat Protection Light for extra security. That's how you use NordVPN on an Android. Thanks for watching.